Sit in class. I sit in class. I ask a question. I ask a question. I go to school. I go to school. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I write my homework. I write my homework. I write a report. I write a report. I sharpen my pencil. I sharpen my pencil. I use a pencil. I use a pencil. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I feel tired today. I feel tired today. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I open my textbook. I open my textbook. I copy the notes. I copy the notes.